the one want to grow in business, want to make dashboards that is needed in any kind of business. So this channel is for you. You can learn here, you can practice, and I'm practicing. While practicing, I keep sharing that anyhow you can get benefited by it. So today it's all about spoken English, and my next video on Thursday I upload about Excel. After that I will start my Power BI. So for now I keep sharing two long videos on Monday and Thursday, one for Excel, and on Monday it is all about spoken English, and the second video will be about Excel on Thursday. So let's get started. Today's topic is past simple tense. Past indefinite we can call. So past simple tense, there is another name that is called past indefinite. Yeah, both are same, past indefinite and past simple. These both are same. So guys, what is the sentence structure of past simple tense? It's subject plus second form of verb second. Like in regular verb, it will be work plus work, ed, worked. Like putting ed on the last of the verb, that is called regular. And irregular verb is all about like we change the whole form of the verb, like go changed into went, put will be the put, and it will be at, and see, show, make, made. Like this there are so many verbs. This is called irregular verb, means it changed wholly. And regular verb like ed, if you are going to use subject plus verb to, means second form of verb, then sometimes you have to use irregular verb like I saw, मैंने देखा, I made, मैंने बनाया. And sometime you have to use regular verb like after using ed. I cooked, मैंने खाना बनाया. I danced, मैंने डांस किया. I practiced, मैंने प्रैक्टिस किया. And I started working, और मैंने काम करना शुरू कर दिया. So these are the verb which one is using ed in the last, that is called regular, and the verb who is changing their role fully, that is called irregular verb. So you have to keep in your mind while speaking and while using what you have to use. And yeah, so this is all about verb, subject plus verb to. And so where should we use past simple? The question is that how and where. So how, I have already told you, subject plus verb to you have to use whenever you have to use. And when. So whenever we are going to talk about past incident that already had happened, then we have to use past simple or past indefinite. And one more thing is there, if you get some words like last night, yesterday, and last week, so that the time has already spent. So for that you have to use simple past tense, means you have already spent yesterday, what you were you doing and what you have done. So that for that kind of situation you should use subject plus verb to, means past simple tense. And keep one thing in your mind guys, if you are going to speak anything about past, so don't think much, just use past simple tense like subject plus verb to. You don't have to think where you have to use had or something different, was or where. No, it is not needed. Most of the time 95%, 90.9%, most of the time to use past simple tense, that is subject plus verb to. So practice it regularly, practice the sentences again and again, that anyhow you will get fluent while speaking, because people often stuck while speaking past tense. They are able to speak present, but when it comes to speak past, they get stuck. Yeah, so you have to practice it again and again, then only you will get fluency while speaking. When I get stuck while speaking somewhere in past, so guys, whenever you have to speak anything, what you have done already, what you have completed, you are not doing right now. This is not about present, it's about past. Whether it is last night or yesterday or sometimes ago, you have done already. So must use past simple tense. Are you getting, guys, what I am telling you? So keep in mind. And one more thing I will clear you, that I am here to give you one concept about tense, that anyhow, like मैंने खाया, खा चुका है, then you don't have to use subject plus verb to. In Hindi, I will give you some information that you can understand while making sentences initially, that where should you use what kind of sentence if you are going to translate Hindi to English, then what kind of sentence it will be while translating. Like if you are going to use मैंने खाना खा लिया means you have already done. So for that simple past tense, I ate. मैंने काम कर लिया, I completed work. And if you are using है, मैंने खा लिया है, that at that time you don't have to use because when you it है, then it come in present, so it will be like has or have, so you don't have to use. Like खा लिया, कर लिया, गया, आया, खाता खाया था. So for that, खाया था, मैंने खाया था, मैंने कर लिया था. So for that you have used present past simple tense. So, and one thing it will be in your mind, then when should we use had, as it is also related to past. So keep in mind, when it come a complex sentence like two sentences all together, the same, I'm going to give you an example. I will teach you later, I will practice it later, but I'm giving you some clues that it will be helpful for you. Like ट्रेन आने से पहले मैं स्टेशन पे पहुंच चुका था, then I had reached before train reached, or before I reached station, train already came. So before when it comes two sentences about past, then one you have to use about past simple, and another one will be perfect, past perfect. So for now, let it be, just focus on past simple and try to make sentences on that. Like I ate, I walked, I gone, I went, and I practiced, I woke up, मैंने कल लेट से उठा, then I woke up late, I woke up early, I ate, I practiced, I finished my work. So that kind of use verb to and try to make sentences. That is the only key. And one thing is there, if you are going to make negative, then how it could be? In negative, it should be like that. Subject in past, you have to use did not. When you make negative, just use did not. So subject plus did plus not plus verb 1 plus object. Now you have to keep in your mind while using did not, and while making negative with did not, you have to use verb 1. Okay, and the sentence will be like that. I did not eat so far. मैंने अभी तक नहीं खाया. I did not eat so far. I did not worked. I did not finished. I did not finish. Not ed. Did not finish. I did not go. I did not study. So that kind of sentence. And if you are going to make question while using past simple tense, then how you will ask to anyone question, then it will be like that. You have to start with did. What is the making negative with did? That did will come in first, and you have to use subject, did, subject, verb 1, and what will be the next object. So did you eat? क्या आपने खाना खा लिया? Did you eat? Did you finish your work? क्या आपने अपना काम शेष कर दिया? And did you study? क्या आपने पढ़ाई की? Did you enjoy? क्या आपने enjoy किया? Did you practice? क्या आपने practice की? So guys, you can make sentences like this. That is very helpful, and I am here to give you only concept that will be helpful to your spoken English. Go watch more and more videos and take an concept in your mind how and when you should use. I've already give you all the information that will be helpful. So just practice. Try to speak in front of camera, and record it. Communicate with people on any app, and keep listening some podcast in English. That is the only key to improve your spoken English. Thank you guys. Bye bye. See you in my next videos.